Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing product to review and recommend to all of you. It's the EU Plug LED Strip Light RGB 5050 Music Sync Color Changing Sensitive Built-in Mic. App LED Lights District of Columbia 12V, Flexible. But before we dive into the details of this incredible product, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our reviews and recommendations in the future. Now, let's talk about why you should choose our LED strip lights. First of all, our product is incredibly easy to connect and offers 3 different ways to control it. With 16 million color options, a long life of 50,000 hours, and the ability to dim the lights, you'll be able to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. But that's not all. Our LED strip lights also come with a DIY function, timer setting, and a music mode that syncs the lights to the beat of your favorite tunes. And when it comes to delivery, all our items are in stock and ship out within 1 working day. Plus, we offer a 90-day buyer protection and a money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. And here's the best part. We're currently running a promotion where you can enjoy discounts for every $15 spent. And an additional 2% off when purchasing any 2 items. We even offer dropshipping for your convenience. Now, let's talk about the power supply. By default, our LED strip lights come with an EU plug. But we also offer US, O, and UK plugs upon request when you order this product. You'll receive an app control that allows you to control the LED strip lights with your smartphone. The Android system supports importing music, so the lights will sync to the sound, creating an immersive experience. Plus, with the included remote control and Bluetooth controller with a built-in microphone, the lights will react to sounds outside, adding another layer to your experience. And when it comes to installation, it couldn't be easier. With upgraded adhesive and the ability to be cut and linked along marked lines, you can easily customize the LED strip lights to fit any space. Whether it's for home decoration, creating a specific atmosphere, or adding a light show to your parties, our LED strip lights are the perfect choice. We've also included some stunning pictures from our clients to show you just how amazing these LED strip lights look in various settings. From decorating your home to creating the perfect ambience at a restaurant or venue, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on our color RGB LED strip lights and brighten up your life today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your space with our high-quality CE and Rose certified LED strip lights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.